Friends, welcome back to my channel. While working on this tektronix time-based circuit, I found this dual transistor bad. It have two transistors in one package. It is a match pair. One transistor is here and the second transistor is with these three terminals. The biggest feature that it is a match pair, two transistors in one package. This is guide pin. The first pin closer to guide pin, that is emitter base collector. Emitter base collector. Let's check it with multimeter. In diode board, set multimeter to center pin. It is 0.763. 0.760. This side, this transistor is good. Reverse the leads. It's okay. While when we check this second side transistor, base to emitter, it is open because here is emitter, base to emitter open, base to collector open, emitter to collector, it is short circuit. And if we check this side, emitter to collector must be open, but this side it is short circuit. So this transistor is bad. I removed from this place and I have the other one here. This side is good. This side is good. So both sides the transistor is good. And if we check from emitter to collector, it is good. Base to collector, base to emitter, second transistor, base to emitter, base to collector, it is good. And this one is problematic. Good. Emitter to collector open. This side open. Here it is short circuit. So one side transistor is damaged. If you see its internal structure, here is the tab, emitter base collector, and this is its internal equivalent circuit. We have two transistors. Each transistor is separate to each other. Cut is here, emitter base collector. Now this transistor, its part number is 0268-8746, while the good one, its part number is 0267-8752. The problem here, we can use alternate part number, we can use any other part number, because this is special part number. It is a decoded part number. It is a best practice. If we find this type of issue, we need to replace with the same part number because it have a matched gain. If you will use some other part number, maybe it will work, but it will not give the accurate result because it will fail the calibration. If we select some transistor from 2N series, there are also available in 2N series, but the problem, the gain will not match. Maybe at low frequency, at high frequencies, that transistor will give some other response. For that purpose, I must demand the same part number from the company and I have to purchase, and then I can replace it. Otherwise, if we use some other solution, local solution, using two transistors, that can be used, it will work. But the problem, it will not pass the calibration. It will not give a good reading because oscilloscope is our measurement tool. If measurement tool is not measuring good, we cannot repair something in good way. I hope so this video is informative. If it is informative, hit the like button. If you have any question, write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.